Here is a healthy and delicious breakfast idea for kids. Kids are bundles of curiosity, energy, and potential. Their insatiable desire to explore and learn about the world around them is a constant source of inspiration. Nurturing their imagination, providing a safe environment, and guiding them with love and patience are key to helping them flourish into confident individuals. Every day with kids is a difficult day for mothers. Most of our kids dislike hygienic food that is made at home, and they only desire to eat junk foods. Yogurt parfait with fruits. Greek yogurt, plain or flavored. Mix it fresh fruits such as berries, banana slices, homemade or store-bought granola. Look for options with low added sugar. Honey, optional for drizzling. Chia seeds, optional for added nutrients. Layer the yogurt. Start by adding a layer of Greek yogurt to a bowl or a clear glass. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and calcium, making it an excellent choice for kids' breakfasts. Add fruits. Add a layer of mixed fresh fruits. You can use a variety of fruits like berries, blueberries, strawberries, banana slices, kiwi, or other fruits that your child likes. Fruits provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Fruits save kids from many diseases. Sprinkle granola. Sprinkle a layer of granola over the fruits. Granola adds a crunchy texture and some healthy whole grains. Repeat the layers of yogurt, fruits, and granola as your child likes. Drizzle with honey. If desired, you can drizzle a small amount of honey over the top for a touch of sweetness. Remember that honey is high in natural sugars, so use it sparingly. Honey is a natural and delicious sweetener produced by bees from the nectar of flowers. Its golden hue and flavor make it a versatile ingredient in cooking. Add chia seeds. For an extra nutritional boost, you can use chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Serve and enjoy. Serve the yogurt parfait immediately to enjoy the freshness of the fruits and the crunch of the granola. Kids will love this in each bite. Keep in mind you fulfilled the protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, calcium in your children. For breakfast, you must have a boiled egg and a cup of tea for your kid. Also, give any type of shakes that your kids like, or a hygienic food like paratha and omelette change the taste of the diet.